Hey everyone, let's take a good look at this newly tooled Demco 42-foot sprayer tender trailer and this classic black 379 Pete. Let's get to work. Okay, let's have a look at the box first. This is the black and red 62078. This is the 379 in black along with the Demco 42-foot trailer. This comes with a slightly different clamshell than what I'm used to with the other diecast trucks. It comes in two pieces like this, so you have a top and a bottom rather than two sides, which is a little different. Anyway, it does come with an extra set of mirrors, and it has a fifth wheel plate cover. If that turns you on, you've got that. Oh, also, there's another piece of plastic in here that helps support the trailer inside the clamshell. But okay, we're gonna start with the cab. So the cab is just your standard 379 Pete. You have turn signals in the fenders, and you have the two headlight grille. Kind of unusual to have this grille with those signals in the fender, because normally, you already have one right there, but whatever, not my deal. 36-inch sleeper here. You got matching bands on the tanks, and then double hump fenders to dress it up, stovepipes to turn you on, and a drop visor. Woo-woo, like this cab. This is a pretty slick looking little cab. It's not real common. We just get good old black cabs, solid colors like this. Normally they're okay. Anyways, there's the cab. Oh, also we have a cat engine in there, or at least a yellow engine. But listen, this is the money shot right here. This is the newly tooled Demco 42-foot sprayer. It's got basically it's kind of like a step deck looking. You've got the low pro tires on the back, and look at all this detail. I mean, you got a good looking mixing cone there. You've got an engine and some banjo valves right there, a pump. You've got ladders on both sides of the trailer with handrails, and I'm not sure what this is. Must be a water tank or something. I'm not sure what it is. But then you've got all these cool hoses down the side and two big tanks on the front and the back with ladders. You've got light accents on that tank. I mean, just a really, these are just cool, man. You've got fenders over here on the gooseneck there. It looks like your tanks are screwed onto this diecast gooseneck there with two screws. That's kind of cool. And then you have more screws here holding the back part of this on. You have some cabinets over here that are even branded. Look at that. Branded cabinets right there. Branding on the undercarriage. You have branding back here on the gooseneck. And then this cool looking cage. I'm not going to see if that opens because it probably doesn't. With some wire mesh in there. You can keep all your chemicals stored safely away. Branding on the mud flaps and all this nice light detail on the back of the cab. And if you haven't noticed, they've got all this cool hose detail running underneath in the diecast. That's just pretty awesome. I am not going to lie, people. This is just really, really cool. Now, I can't tell. I don't know. Okay, so it looks like that hose there is diecast painted black. And then there might be some plastic. Yeah, that's plastic there. But this is all diecast here. So they've just some really, really cool looking detail. Plus another valve here if you're going to drain the system out, it looks like. Yeah. So that is this sprayer tender trailer. Now, as I understand, there's 500 of these units made of each in this series. So there will be plenty of these to go around. I was told that the manufacturer did take a bunch of these units. So just be ready that could they sell out soon? I don't know. They're just really, really good looking. I can't imagine these are going to last long, but who knows? I have been wrong before anytime I try to guess what people will buy and not buy. Either way, I like them, and I think they're cool. I have a limited supply of these at rockinhfarmtoys.com. If you like this, you know where to get them. At the moment, I don't have enough that I'm splitting them up, but you never know down the road. Depends on how fast they go. So far, I've pre-sold most of what's already come in. So if you're looking for one, get them quick. And that wraps up this evaluation. If you like them, like I said, don't hesitate to go get one. We'll see ya.